In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to create a cash flow statement. Cash flow statements can be found by clicking on the Project tab and then on Reports. Since we want cost information, we select Costs and then click on the Select button. Cash flow information is highlighted here. We click Select. The cash flow information will be generated in a print preview format. And you can zoom in order to view the information easier. You can see that the default is to automatically create a weekly cash flow statement. We can see a breakdown of costs each week for every task, and finally, if we go to the next page, we can see the total cost information for the project. Now let's say that our project extends longer than just a month or two, and that we want to generate a monthly cash flow statement instead of a weekly one. We go to Reports again, select Costs, and then instead of hitting Select again, click on Edit, change Weeks to Months, click OK, and then Select. Now you can see that we have a monthly cash flow statement. We can either print this out, or you can select Print Screen on your keyboard and then paste it into a Word document.